At least one nursing home resident has now died from a second COVID-19 outbreak at the Wisconsin Veterans Home in Union Grove. That man's wife claims families aren't being told the truth about what's happening. Taylor Lumpkin reports.
Susan Nozick's husband tested positive for COVID-19 at the Veterans Home at Union Grove on December 12th, and just 9 days later, he passed away from the virus. But when families were updated about the current coronavirus outbreak here at the home, the mention of her husband's death was nowhere to be found.
They dismissed him as not being important.
It's been more than a week since Susan Nozick's husband, a retired U.S. Marine and former Racine police officer, Joseph Nozick, died after contracting the coronavirus at the Veterans Home at Union Grove.
He wasn't responding anymore, so I knew he was dying.
To keep families informed, the Wisconsin Department of Veterans Affairs has been sending out updates weekly on the number of members and staff who've tested positive for COVID-19. The most recent update, dated December 30th, cited 17 active positive cases between staff and residents, the second COVID outbreak at the home this year. But nothing was mentioned about Joseph's death.
And I just thought that that was odd, not truthful. Not acknowledging that my husband died.
Susan says she reached out to the commandant to ask why she didn't inform families about her husband's death, but still hasn't received a response.
I felt dismissed. She didn't even have the courage to send back a response.
Her story and concerns about the lack of transparency from the Wisconsin Department of Veterans Affairs also caught the eye of a United States congressman.
We need to work to make sure we're doing everything we can to protect our veterans in the state of Wisconsin.
We did reach out to the Wisconsin Department of Veterans Affairs for a comment, but no one was available because of the holiday. In the December 30th update, the commandant did say that vaccinations began here on Monday. In Union Grove, Taylor Lumpkin, TMJ4 News.